When you bought your home, your solicitor gave you a figure: the purchase price, the deposit, the mortgage. You planned around those numbers. You saved for them. You knew exactly what you were getting into. What you were not told, what almost nobody in the UK property industry proactively communicates to buyers, is that the average British homebuyer pays an additional £5,837 on top of the purchase price that they never budgeted for. Not the deposit, not the mortgage. An additional £5,837 in fees, taxes and costs that materialise during the transaction and immediately after it. Research by Compare the Market found that nearly 7 in 10 UK households were caught out by these surprise costs when moving home. 7 in 10. And the people most badly caught out are first-time buyers, the people who have already stretched every available pound to get to the purchase price in the first place. And here is the thing: the most expensive hidden cost on this list is not the tax. It is not the legal fees. It is something that happens after you move in, and almost nobody warns you about it until it is too late. If you are new here, hit subscribe now. Every week, British Home Secrets reveals the knowledge they buried built specifically for UK homes. Now, let us get into this. Today, we are going to go through every single one of these hidden costs, what they are, why they exist, and, crucially, which ones are genuinely unavoidable and which ones can be reduced significantly if you know what you are doing before you commit. The first hidden cost is stamp duty land tax. In England and Northern Ireland, any residential property purchase above £250,000 attracts stamp duty. The rates are tiered. On a property worth £300,000, a buyer pays £2,500. On a property worth £400,000, it rises to £7,500. On a property worth £500,000, it is £12,500. First-time buyers receive relief, but only up to a threshold, and many discover their liability for the first time when their solicitor presents the completion statement on the day the purchase completes. At that point, there is no negotiation. The tax is owed. It must be paid. Here is what the property industry does not tell you. Stamp duty is calculable to the penny before you make an offer, using the government's own calculator at gov.uk. Your estate agent knows this. Your solicitor knows this. Almost none of them volunteer it, because a buyer who discovers the liability after committing is a captive customer. The second hidden cost is conveyancing, the legal process of transferring ownership. The fee has two components that most buyers do not realise are separate. The legal fee, typically £800 to £1,500, and the disbursements, third-party costs including local authority searches, drainage searches, environmental searches, and land registry registration fees that add another £400 to £700 on top. Many buyers receive a headline conveyancing quote and assume it covers everything. It does not. The disbursements appear later. The total for a standard freehold purchase runs between £1,200 and £2,200. What most buyers do not know is that the legal fee element is negotiable before you instruct. The disbursements are fixed. Search fees and land registry charges do not vary, but the solicitor's own fee varies significantly between firms. Most first-time buyers instruct whoever their estate agent recommends. That referral usually involves a referral fee paid by the solicitor to the agent, which means the recommended firm is not the cheapest option. It is the most profitable option for the agent. Now here is where the costs get truly dangerous, because the next hidden cost is the one that has the most serious financial consequences, and it is the one that the mortgage industry most consistently fails to explain. The third hidden cost is the gap between your mortgage valuation and an independent survey. Every mortgage lender requires a valuation before approving your loan. You pay for it, between £100 to £500. But here is the critical distinction that most buyers are never clearly told. A mortgage valuation does not assess the condition of your property. It assesses whether the property is worth what you are paying to protect the lender. It does not look for structural defects. It does not check the roof. It does not identify rising damp or failing foundations. You can complete on a property with serious structural problems, and your mortgage valuation will tell you nothing about them. For that, you need a separate independent survey, a HomeBuyer report, or a full structural survey, commissioned by you for your protection. Research by the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors found that buyers who commission an independent survey save an average of £5,300 on repairs and negotiated price reductions. The survey pays for itself on almost every transaction. Most buyers still do not commission one because nobody tells them the valuation is not protecting them. The fourth hidden cost is the mortgage arrangement fee. Most products with the most competitive rates carry a fee of between £500 and £2,000. It can be paid up front or added to the mortgage balance. Here is what the industry does not explain. Adding a £1,500 fee to a 25-year mortgage at 4% interest means you do not pay £1,500. You pay approximately £2,550 by the time the mortgage is repaid. The arrangement fee is not disclosed in the headline rate. It is buried in the annual percentage rate of charge, the APRC, that most buyers never read. The fifth hidden cost arrives not during the transaction, but in the weeks after completion. Moving costs. Professional removals for a 3-bedroom house cost between £450 and £1,400. Many buyers plan to do it themselves and discover that their possessions will not fit in a rented van, that a corner sofa requires a specialist, or that the move takes 3 times as long as expected. If the purchase is part of a chain and completion dates shift, removals need to be rebooked at short notice, often at a significant premium. The sixth hidden cost is the one that feedback from 7 in 10 buyers keeps coming back to, and it is the one that most people experience, but least people budget for. Immediate repairs in the first year. Think about a buyer who saved for years for a £20,000 deposit. They stretched their budget to reach the purchase price. They covered the stamp duty. They covered the legal fees. They moved in. And in the first winter, the boiler that was described as recently serviced fails. The roof that looked fine from the street needs repointing. The kitchen units that appeared functional are secured with hope and paint. Research by the Homeowners Alliance found that the average spend on first-year repairs is between £2,000 and £4,000 for buyers who did not commission an independent survey. For buyers who did commission one, the figure is significantly lower because identified issues were either repaired before completion or reflected in a reduced offer price. The survey that nobody told you to commission is the single most effective way to reduce your total hidden cost exposure. The seventh hidden cost is council tax. Not the existence of it, most buyers know council tax exists, but the band of the specific property and what that band costs in the specific local authority area. Council tax bands were set in 1991 and have never been comprehensively revalued. Many properties are in the wrong band. The Valuation Office agency receives thousands of successful challenges every year from homeowners who appeal their band and have it reduced. An appeal is free. A successful appeal is retrospective, meaning overpayments from previous years are refunded. Most buyers never challenge their band because they do not know appeals exist. Here is the complete picture. Stamp duty, £0 to £12,500 or more. Conveyancing, £1,200 to £2,200. Survey, £0 to £1,500. Mortgage arrangement fee, £0 to £2,000. Removals, £450 to £1,400. First-year repairs, £2,000 to £4,000. That is a realistic range of £5,000 to £23,600 above the purchase price, before a single piece of furniture is bought or a single utility bill is paid. The average of these ranges produces a figure very close to the £5,837 that caught out nearly 7 in 10 UK buyers. You now know that the average UK homebuyer pays £5,837 in hidden costs they never budgeted for. You know that stamp duty is calculable before you make an offer, and nobody will tell you to calculate it. You know that your mortgage valuation does not protect you, and that only an independent survey does, and that it saves an average of £5,300. You know that conveyancing disbursements are separate from the headline fee. You know that arrangement fees added to your mortgage balance cost significantly more over the full term. You know that first-year repairs cost between £2,000 and £4,000 without a survey. And you know that your council tax band can be appealed free of charge with retrospective refund. Share this video with anyone you know who is buying a home in the United Kingdom right now. This is the information they need before they commit. This is British Home Secrets. We find the knowledge they buried, and we give it back to the people who need it. Subscribe, because there is a lot more where this came from.